Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Slow steps still reach far land. Understand. Time reveal the master plan. Steady hand. Me nah rush feel fast reward. False applaud. Quick win fade like morning dew. Me know true. Me invest time where value grow. Roots below. Longevity. Me chosen lane. Sustain. Speed excite, but wisdom guide. See if I ride. Me paths be read the sign them clear. No fear. Every move weighed and aligned. Peace of mind. Wisdom over speed. Every time. Prime. Wisdom over speed. Calm side. True light. Me see many blaze, then burn out fast. Skip past. Me pace allow me flame endure. Pure. Patience sharpen intuition sense. Defense. When pressure shout, hurry up, me slow. Clarity born in quiet space. Winning race. Fast now always mean advance. Wisdom stands. Wisdom over speed. Step sure. Secure. Wisdom over speed. Long run. Well done. Here I roar. Not just quick. That's kitchen. Ayayay. Skasik biderasik. Krutik kasyadawa. No nice, just we're unseen. In between, silence shape me in a friend. No fail, me build when nobody watch. Real not shot. Late night thoughts, early crying, discipline mind. Me not announce every plan. Action stand. Silence filter fake applause. Clear cause, may hear me own voice without crowds. And proud, foundation laid without sound. Solid bro, built from silence. Strong and deep, roots deep. Built from silence. Calm and show, enjoy. Me let results speak for me name. No claim, progress quiet but undeniable. Reliable, me stack effort day by day. Hidden way, when light shine pon what me built. No guilt, me earned every single stone on me own. Silence teach me who me be. Set me free. Built from silence. slow beneath the ground. Silent sound. Time bless what patience grow. Me know nature never hurry her hand. Perfect plan. Seed sleep long before it rise. Wise eyes. Me now force fruit before it's time. Natural blind. Rushing crap what meant for last. Learn past. Me respect unseen progress face. Hidden days. Depth develop far from sight. Inner light. Roots don't rush, them go deep. Promise keep. Roots don't rush, steady grow. Let them know. Me build life like ancient tree. Legacy. Storm shade branch but trunk hold firm. Confirm. Me patience sharpen me defense. Confidence. Growth invisible still expand. Understand. Me nah envy sprout wick. Cheap trick. When harvest season finally come, you stand tall. Food heavy, hunches wide, satisfied. Depth create longevity. Stability. Roots don't rush, firm and tall, never fall. Roots don't rush, strong and wide, worldwide. Roots don't rush, firm and tall, never fall. Roots don't rush, strong and wide, worldwide. When grass low, forever stay. Not dry way. Na na na. Na na na. Na na na. Na na na. Fire burn deep, but me fear still cool. In a rule. Ocean calm, volcano core. Hidden roar, still waters mass. The flame within. Quiet skin. Me carry fire, them can't read. Silent speed. Energy pile up in my spine. Discipline. Me now waste cock. Con ego show. Me know. True flame burn controlled and slow. In a glow. Emotion sharp, but me steer the wheel. Balance feel. Me plan move long before me act. Strategic fact. Pressure test, but the pulse yeah even. Well seasoned. Beat channeled into forward drive. Force alive. Fire inside, come outside. Perfect ride. Fire inside, steady flame, no shame. Fire inside, never wild, well styled. Me ambition loud, but me mouth stay closed. Late night grind when street a roots with holy hand. Storm may rage, but still them stand. Eternal roots across the sand. Every season, come or go, still the righteous roots will grow. Babylon fire can't consume. Eternal roots forever bloom. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Roots of love, roots of peace, grow until the war shall cease. Roots of mercy, roots of flame, grow forever in Jah name. From the elder to the youth, roots of Zion carry truth. From creation till today, roots of Zion light the way. Roots so deep no axe can cut, no lie strong enough to shut. Through the drought and through the rain, eternal roots remain. Every culture, every tongue, sing the roots where we belong. From Africa to every land, eternal roots by Jah hand. Roots so mighty, roots so wide, carry people side by side. Roots of Zion never bend. Eternal roots without end. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Eternal roots forever strong. Stand the test of right and wrong. Hold the earth and hold the sky. Eternal roots will never die. Day by day and year by year, eternal roots still stand. chance. Step with light, step with fire. One love burning, rising higher. Ganja blaze and the drums them tight. Reggae warrior, we stand for right. No retreat, we step on mission. Sound of Zion, roots man vision. Zion echoes, sound calling high. We not fake vibes, we reaching sky. Me not need crown, me need the truth. Me raise me voice for the innocent youth. Every verse is a seed me sow. Me now wait for system fi grow. Me bring freedom with every line and blaze the earth fi clear the mind. So rise up, step on the ground. Let reggae music be your sound. We not fight with gun, we fight with vibe. We plant hope where evil hide. So come here now, chanting the light. Zion echoes, bring the people insight. And when the rhythm drop, feel no fear. We treading strong, Jah love is near. Ayayay, Zion reggae, yeah, man. Upon the hill so high, so tall, mountain of Zion, stand for all. No storm can shake, no fire can burn. To Jah true mountain, me always turn. It called the soul, it lift the hand. Mountain strong for all the land. Every pilgrim walk the way. To Zion peak we kneel and pray. Mountain of Zion, firm and sure. Stand eternal, ever pure. Guide the people, hold the line. Holy mountain, ever sign. It rise above the cloud and rain. It wash away the fear and pain. It glow with fire, glow with light. Mountain blessed both day and night. It teach the tribe to stand up strong. It sing the Naya Bingi song. From root to peak, from base to crown. Mountain of Zion never down. It got the elder guide the youth. It speak the words of holy truth. It shine the sun, it cool the breeze. Mountain stand with Jah decrease. Every step me climb so high. Mountain lift me to the sky. No Babylon can pull me low. Mountain of Jah always show. Me sit up on the rocky place. See Jah glory, feel Jah grace. It chant the name for all to hear. Mountain whisper Jah is near. It call the humble, call the meek. Every soul the mountain seek. Strong foundation never fall. Mountain of Jah always show. When the trumpet sound again, mountain rise above all pain. Forever strong, forever true. Mountain bless me, bless you too. From morning sun to setting fire, mountain lift we ever higher. Holy Zion, holy ground. Mountain echo Jah true sound. Climb high, climb strong. Mountain of Zion, all life long. No chain, no wall can stop the climb. Mountain stand for all time. Mountain of Zion, firm and sure. Stand eternal, ever pure. ganja, yeah, man. On the way, yeah. On the moonlight, I light my chalice high. Sacred smoke rising to Jah in the sky. In the hills where the silence speak loud, I walk barefoot, free from the crowd. No chain pon me soul, no fear in a heart. The ancient drum beating, Babylon falling apart. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. From sunrise to sunset, my spirit float. Guided by ancestors, the wisdom they wrote. Me not chase gold, me chase the peace. In a ganja haze, me soul release. Each breath sacred, each step divine. Me sip coconut water, me realign. No clock, no pressure, just natural time. Me heart beat in rhythm, me reason in rhyme. So me sing for the healer, sing for the tree, sing for the youth, them who try to be free. This world full of noise, full of illusion, but Rasta stay centered in love solution. No TV control, no digital chain, just irie breeze blowing through me brain. Rasta fire burn bright in a sacred night. We chant down wickedness, chant up the light. With herbs and meditation we sight the way. Living truth and love every single day. Zion calling, can you hear the sound? Roots deeper than the underground. I see through the smoke, me vision stay true. Third eye open when me burn the bamboo. Babylon try test we, but we all firm. Like the lion we roar. With every term, we not beg system. We build our lane, plant food, plant trees, heal the pain. The children of Jah not bow or break. We rise with each breath that we take. So light up the fire, blaze it with pride. Let Rasta wisdom be your guide. We not need riches, we got soul gold. In this reggae journey, we never fold.
Bada bim, bada boom, Rastafari, sip coconut and rum. One spliff light up, me mind take flight. Early in the morning before daylight. Me sip me tea, me feel so free. With nature around, that's liberty. Me not chase gold, me chase no fame. Me chase connection, me call your name. Me see the world through herb-filled eyes. Truth in a smoke, no disguise. One spliff, one love, one heartbeat. Roots run deep where desire meet. Meditation on the hilltop breeze. Rhythm of the earth bring I'm and peace. One spliff, one love, no fear. Jah voice echo when the path unclear. We chant down stress, we chant down pain. With urban rhythm, we rise again. The city fast, but I'm on slow. Me spirit whisper, time fi grow. Me trod with drum, not digital noise. Me heart still beat with Rastaman voice. Ganja light, fi the wisdom flame. In a Babylon, them play mind games. But I now play that role. Me free from chain, me know me soul. Babylon can't cage a lion. Me roar loud like Mount Zion. Me burn down lies with herbal truth. Me roots firm, me plant from youth. Me vision clear like the sky above. Me walk with purpose, me walk with love. The herb connect, the stars and I. Me rise with sun, me fly so high. One spliff, one love, one direction. Me step in a light full of protection. Meditation on sacred sound. Rasta wisdom all around. One spliff, one breath, no rush. Nature teach me, life don't hush. So me burn distress and hold the vibe. Reggae kill the world, worldwide. Me reason with the elders under mango tree. Them tell stories of Jah and unity. Me youth them gather round fi listen. Me words like fire, holy mission. Me not preach hate, me preach uplift. Me words a gift, Jah bless me lips. From roots to crown, me grounded strong. Me sing the truth, me chant it long. So when the world feel cold and rough, me light me spliff, and that's enough. One spliff, one love, me mantra stay. Me walk with Jah every day. Me carry the flame of ancient man. Me chant for peace, me overstand. From sunrise to the moon above, me hold it steady. One spliff, one love, right away.
Oyoyoy Kingston, skunk, smoke ya man.
Me wake up on me earth strand day. Me give thanks for Jah, me kneel and pray. No gift me want, no bling, no ring. Just a little piece, let the forest sing. Me birth not come from system life. Me born of sun, sea and the sky. Me mama strong, me papa wise. Me stand pan roots, me never disguise. Me roll the herb with reverence. Me chant me soul, me find me sense. From me lungs to me medulla, it rise up truth, me feel it fuller. Earth strong warrior rise today. Burn them chains and walk your way. Smoke the herb and chant the fire. Meditate and climb up higher. Rasta born again from pain. Me heal through rhythm, roots and rain. Celebrate life with every draw. Me live in love, me follow Jalla. Me nah born fi concrete street. Me come from hills where I'm real sweet. Me granny teach me bush and bark. Me learn fi glow in light and dark. Each year me rise, me grow me dread. Each season pass, me nah lose head. The fire in me, not from rage, but from the wisdom of the sage. Me honor the drum, me honor the soil. Me honor the hands that sweat and tile. Me drink me tea, me sit and pause. Me chant the psalms, me praise Jalas. Smoke rise up like incense burn. For every lesson me still must learn. Me inhale love, exhale fear. Me vision bright, me heart sincere. Me surround myself with warrior crew. Each one hold firm, each one true. We not need gold nor gun nor gate. We hold Jah love and that feel great. Earth strong warrior, blaze it bold. Me story deep, me spirit old. In a me circle, me herb ignite. Me rise like lion, full of light. Me nah bow down to Babylon plan. Me walk proud like ancient man. Me step with purpose, step with soul. Me journey long but me heart whole. Ganja me gift, me sacrament. Me burn it clean, no false intent. Me offer it up to Jah throne. Me soul and the smoke alone, alone. Me drift to space, me meet me guide. Me ancestors stand by me side. Them whisper say, you're strong, you true. Me see Jah light shine bright in you. Me rest in grass, me hear the breeze. Me soul at peace, me mind at ease. This ain't just herb, this holy vine. Fi heal the body and soul combine. So light the fire, warrior true. This earth stone chant me share with you. From hills to valleys, spread it wide. Let Rasta rise and Babylon slide. Happy earth strong to the soul within. Celebrate love, let the life begin. One more turn pan Jaja wheel. Me chant, me smoke, me rise, me heal. nah lose hope. Rise up, rise up. Them want see we fall, but we stand tall. No care about the system, them can't hold we down at all. We are warrior, me tell you, say me born for fight. Me light up the darkness, me shine so bright. Them try to lock me spirit in a cage. Them write the laws, but me turn the page. Just set me free, so me claim my place. Me walk with courage, me move with grace. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know said the victory are for mine. Me see Babylon them corrupt and cold. Them sell them soul for the diamonds and gold. But me no bow, me no sell out my faith. Me chant my songs, me no fear the hate. The youth them lost, them searching for guide. Me tell them look inside, no follow the lies. Jah give we wisdom, Jah give we light. Me walk with the truth, me walk with the right. Rise up, stand firm on your feet. No matter how the wicked them a plan for defeat. Rise up, make your spirit shine. Me know I set the victory are for mine. Me chant for the people, me chant for the youth. Me chant for the elders, me chant for the truth. Me chant for the love, me chant for the light. Me chant for the freedom, me chant for the fight. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up, me say rise up again. Jah guide my soul through the storm and the rain. We no stop fight till the battle is won. Rise up, the journey just begun. Rise up.
Na 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 man. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na.
River flow from holy ground. Zion water all around. It healed the thirsty, healed the weak. River truth all people seek. Forever flowing clear and wide. River of Jah by my side. Eternal current never dry. River Zion flowing high. River of Zion pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flow in Jah name. It cool the weary, wash the pain. River Zion bless again. No drought, no desert, no man control. River of Jah cleanse my soul. Forever streaming strong and free. River Zion carry me. From mountain top to ocean wide. River Jah forever guide. Me see the elder take a sip. River Zion heal the lip. It bless the children, bless the meek. River of truth, all people see. Forever holy, never gone. River of Jah, forever strong. Eternal flow from throne above. River Zion, water love. No Babylon can dam the stream. River Zion, holy dream. It cut the stone, it cleared the way. River of Jah, every day. Forever pure, forever new. River Zion, carry through. It wash away the guilt, the shame. River flow in Jah name. When the final trumpet play, River Zion flow same way. Forever streaming, never cease. River of Jah, eternal peace. It call the nations, call them home. River Zion, never roam. Holy water, strong and free. River Jah, for you and me. Flow long, flow high. River Zion, never dry. No wall, no chain can block the way. River Jah, forever stay. River of Zion, pure and deep. Bless the soul and bless the sheep. Living water, holy flame. River flow in Jah name. From dawn of time to final day. River Zion, never stray.
Voices of prophets long time gone. Them warn we bout chains in a silver guise. Them said the system wear disguise. Gold teeth, big screen, plastic smile. But all them path is pure big guile. Me nah fall fi Babylon bluff. Me built from roots, me spirit tough. Me carry words like sacred flame. Me chant each verse in Jah name. Me see the towers, high and proud. But underneath, me hear the crowd screaming for justice, crying for peace. But Babylon hand never release. Dust of the prophets rise again. Float through street like holy rain. Voice of truth nah ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane and ancient trees. It called the children, be awake. Fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me sit in a silence overstand. Home and trade soul, fi piece of land. Them build the system strong like gate. But every gate still bound fi break. Now remember teachings of me forefathers. How them chant through fire, still them rise. Me nah go bout to take over lords. Me read me fate in Jah stars. Me words them sharp like cane machete. Me truth nah sweet but it necessary. Them try fi blur the sacred line. But I walk straight, design divine. Me nah trust no politician mouth. Them smile while robbing north and south. But in a me yard, me chant me psalm. Me spirit cool, me heart stay calm. Dust of the prophets rise again. Float to street like holy rain. Voice of truth nah ever die. It live in I, it live in I. Dust of the prophets blowing breeze through ghetto lane trees. It called the children, be awake, fi tear down wall, fi roots remake. Me see the signs pon every wall, the ancient ones still make them call. Rise up people, no more wait, truth now come from heads of state. Me say revolution start from soul, before we ever take back control. Free your mind, take off the chain, dance pan style, feel the rain. Me plant me open fertile ground, where them system can't track nor hound. Me future bright, me steps them sure, me chant feel love that will endure. Dust of the prophets rise again.
No, 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 no. No, no, no. Zion, Reggae man. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Rise up early when the sun's still sleeping. Steam the herbs, start the daily reasoning. Bongo drums echo from the hillside. Lion of Judah in a high man stride. Me no need no gold, chain or fame. Me carry Jah light and chant his name. Peace in the heart, fire in the soul. We living the word, not playing no role. Roots temple, rise and shine. Herbs born strong, spirit align. Mountains call, winds reply. Rasta reach in a morning sky. No preacher, no plan, no disguise. Just clean meditation, open eyes. Come inside the temple made of trees. No wall, no door, just healing breeze. Herbs from the earth, wisdom from the stars. Ancient truths written in scars. We drum to connect, we sing to feel. We reason about what Babylon conceal. But today we not talk about no system. We give thanks for life and praise the rhythm. Roots temple, lift me up. Fill me chalice, pour Jah cup. In a silence me hear the sound. Heartbeat of earth, so profound. This ain't no fiction, no fairy tale. This is real life, roots on sacred trail. And when the moonlight dance pan leaves, me chant a psalm and my soul believes. No fear when Jah lights around. No lies can shake this holy ground. Me trod in a circle of ancient peace, where hate and ego cease to exist. Zaya Reggae, yeah, man. Hey. Me tune up the drum and bass, feel the place. Reggae rhythm fill the ear, love everywhere. Freedom sound for the youth to hear. Jah draw near. Hey. Me see them rise against the tide, still survive. Each beat me play bring life, cut through strife. Babylon walls start fi crack, no turning back. Sound of freedom set we free, eternally. Me chant for the ghetto child, keep them mild. Teach them strength in every note, lift the boat. No gun, no yet no chain, break the pain. Sound of freedom blaze the way to brighter day. Hey. Sound of freedom, loud and clear, echo through the atmosphere. Sound of freedom, pure and true. Jah melody carry you. Me sing for the mother, the father too. Keep them true. Every cry turn melody, unity. Music heal, music mend, love transcend. Freedom sound no fade, it's a holy parade. Me drop me verse like fire rain, burn out pain. Every soul start this way, night to day. Sound of freedom never cease, bring we peace. The rhythm march through time, so divine. When Babylon try silence we, them can't see. Music born from struggle deep, no sleep. Freedom song keep heart alive, make we thrive. Whoa, oh, oh. Sound of freedom, loud and clear, echo through the atmosphere. Sound of freedom, pure and true. Jah melody carry you. Sound of freedom, let it roll, heal the soul. Oh, oh, righteous vibration. So when the night feel long and low, let the rhythm flow. Whoa, whoa, sound of freedom never end. It's Jah we defend.
Ayayay. Zion. Raga, yeah, man.
Sublime, every leaf and every stone sing a word of Jah alone. Babylon wall may try resist, voice of Jah they can't dismiss. Pure and strong, forever near, voice of Jah we always hear. Zion Raga. From the hills me hear a call, echo bounce from wall to wall. It tell the people stand up tall. Babylon rise but Babylon fall. River sing on mountainside, bird fly free across the sky. Every sound a prophecy, Zion whispered destiny. Zion echoes in a me ear, calling we fit trot with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer, Jaja presence everywhere. Trod. Every step I praise to God. Stone and tree and stream agree. Nature speak in harmony. Wind carry word from far and near. Hold the faith, the time soon here. Zion voice in heart so strong, guide me right when things go wrong. Children learn the chant from birth, pass it round across the earth. It cure the mind, it heal the soul. Zion chant make people whole. Elders say it's more than song, it's the road we trod along. Echoing in morning mist, every beat a sacred twist. Echo high, echo low, through the rain and through the snow. Carry hope, carry peace, till the Babylon system cease. Zion word not fade away, still a guide we to this day. When nightfall come, me still can hear voice of Zion loud and clear. It tell me rise, no time for sleep, harvest soon from what you reap. Me close me eyes and sing along. Zion echo keep me strong. Zion echoes in a me ear, calling we fit trot with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer, Jaja presence everywhere. Zion echoes in a me ear, calling we fit trot with cheer. One love, one song, one prayer, Jaja presence everywhere. Nah, nah, nah. Zion, nah, nah. Jaja presence everywhere. Nah, 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 Zion is higher, man. Morning break with holy flame, Zion sunrise in Jah name. Darkness flee, no shadow stay, light of Zion fill the day. Every dawn a chance to grow, every seed Jah blessing sow. Babylon night can overcome, Zion shine like rising sun.